Hi, my name is Giancarlo Reyes, the designer of Solacine, an eco-friendly salt farming unit for coastal use. My province Pangasinan translates to where salt is made, and this is my inspiration to make salt farming accessible and sustainable for underserved coastal communities. I address this by identifying the ideal salt for coastal production, one that is high in value even in small scale. I found flaky and pyramid sea salt. These form under high salinity and a controlled environment. Through series of simulations and experiments with solar evaporation, I found a way to meet these conditions. By molding black HDPE plastic into an angled wavy form, it accelerates evaporation, forming salt that is remixed to make a high salinity brine deposit. This slowly forms into flaky and pyramid salt, facilitated by the controlled environment made by a greenhouse concept. Through shadowing, I designed an ergonomic setup and workflow which reduces work-related injuries and makes production more efficient. Solacine is an innovative solution, holistically designed to address the lack of sustainable livelihood options in coastal areas. Solacine connects underserved communities with local hotels and restaurants that use finishing salts, fostering mutual growth and economic sustainability. Most importantly, it is eco-friendly, emits zero carbon emissions, and non-disruptive. Solacine supports the ongoing revitalization of our country's salt industry, empowering coastal communities to transform our underutilized shorelines into a place where salt is made.